Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are diving deep into one of the most insane tablets I've got my hands on this year, the Blackview MEGA 12. Now, if you're someone who's tired of ordinary tablets that can't survive a splash, a drop, or even a little sand, this device might just blow your mind. We're talking about the world's first fully waterproof and dustproof 5G AI tablet with IP69 case certification. That's right, fully submersible and truly dustproof. But before we jump in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like icon if you want to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and deep dives just like this. From the moment you pick up the MEGA 12, it's clear this isn't your typical slab of glass and plastic. It's ultra-refined at just 8.2 millimeters thick and weighs only 690 grams. But don't let that fool you. It's built like a tank. Every edge, every port, every seal has been engineered for maximum durability. The reinforced body, gasket-sealed SIM tray, cover mic, and waterproof adhesive all come together to make sure nothing gets in, whether it's water, dust, or even high-pressure jets. And a one-key water and dust drain? That's pure genius. You just tap once, and the system vibrates the speaker module to eject anything trapped inside. This is the kind of thoughtful design you rarely see in consumer electronics. Let's talk display, because MEGA 12 doesn't mess around here either. We're looking at a massive 12.2-inch 2.4K panel with a mind-blowing 94.2% screen-to-body ratio. Ultra-narrow bezels, 3:2 golden productivity aspect ratio, and TVSD low blue light certification make it perfect for both work and binge-watching your favorite shows. And with Widevine L1 support, you can stream your content in true 1080p HD, no compromises. Pair that with quad SmartK box speakers that deliver immersive stereo sound. And suddenly, this tablet doesn't just compete, it dominates in media consumption. Now, PC Mode 3.0 takes things to a whole new level. This tablet instantly transforms into a full touch-enabled mini PC, complete with multi-window operations, a precise cursor, and even pre-installed WPS Office for all your productivity needs. You can run over 10 windows at once, split screens seamlessly, and multitask like a pro. And to make the transition from tablet to desktop flawless, Blackview includes a Magcover keyboard and wireless mouse in a box. Ergonomic, quiet, and responsive, these accessories turn the MEGA 12 into a mobile workstation that doesn't compromise on comfort or performance. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me bring more detailed reviews your way. The MEGA 12 isn't just about work. It's about play, creativity, and AI smarts. With the Stylus pen included, you get ultra-low latency on a 120Hz screen, perfect for note-taking, sketching, or annotating documents. The Doki OS_P 5.0, based on Android 16, brings AI-driven apps like Hi Doki for productivity, learning, and creativity. You can write, search, translate, and even create music and videos using the integrated Soundle, VidGen, and ImageX apps. Image editing, AI outpainting, background swapping, professional retouching. You name it, this tablet does it all without breaking a sweat. Performance-wise, MEGA 12 is no joke. It's powered by the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset with ARM Mali G610 GPU, up to 48GB RAM with expansion, and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage expandable to 2TB. Running 50 apps simultaneously? No problem. Gaming, multitasking, AI processing, handled. Couple that with the HyperEngine 5.0, enhanced Wi-Fi 6E, and BT 5.3 for lag-free connectivity, and you've got a device that's as capable as it is durable. Battery life is another highlight. A massive 10,000 mAh cell paired with 55W fast charging means you can binge, work, or game all day without worrying about mid-session shutdowns. And the tablet even supports reverse charging, turning it into a power bank for your other devices. Blackview also integrates smart AI charging and deep power-saving modes, which means longer uptime and optimized performance without you lifting a finger. Cameras? Absolutely flagship tier. A 50MP Samsung Gen 1 main camera captures detailed documents, notes, and even creative shots, while the 13MP front camera ensures crystal clear video calls with face unlock and face-filling light support. Record 2K videos, scan, translate, and even identify objects instantly using Google Lens. Every aspect of productivity, study, and communication has been reimagined. And if you're someone who loves to tinker with visuals, the ImageX app is a game changer. Professional-grade editing, AI retouching, and instant background replacement put creative control right at your fingertips. Combine this with VidGen for video creation and Soundle for music composition, and you're essentially holding a full content studio in one rugged, waterproof tablet. All of this comes in two stunning colors: space gray for sleek professionalism and flash gold for those who want a bold statement. It's not just about looks. The fiberglass back panel is durable, comfortable, and gives a premium feel in hand. Drop it, splash it, use it anywhere, anytime. The Mega 12 is built to handle all. So, after spending serious hands-on time with the Blackview Mega 12, here's the takeaway. This isn't just a tablet. It's a powerhouse of performance, creativity, and durability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, this device adapts to your needs seamlessly, giving you the flexibility, reliability, and power that other tablets simply can't match. From its waterproof and dust-proof engineering to PC mode, AI apps, and flagship-level specs, the Mega 12 is proof that you can have it all: style, substance, and smarts. If you're serious about a tablet that can survive anything and still deliver uncompromised performance, the Mega 12 is it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and leave a comment if you want me to do a full deep dive into the AI apps and gaming performance. Trust me, this one's a game changer, and you don't want to miss out.